The zone is still in a pretty messy downtrend overall, honestly. You can see the lower highs, lower lows, and the stock keeps getting rejected right around that 730 to 8 area. The interesting part here is it's trying to stabilize near 7-8, and that 678 level is the first real line in the sand below. If buyers can reclaim 730 and then hold above 793, that starts to change the structure a bit and tells me momentum is improving. But if sellers keep pressing and we lose 678, then this looks like another leg lower. What I'm watching is whether this bounce has any real follow through or if it's just another weak relief move. If you want my exact execution framework and the setups I'm personally watching before market open, it's inside the Patreon, link in the description.